Hello guys, in this video I will show how to insert different header on different pages in Microsoft Word document. As we can see in this document, we have different header in different pages. This is the type 1 header, type 2 header, and from here type 3 header. So you have to follow these steps. Firstly, insert your first header. Click here and make your header. Like header 1. Now I need a different type header from page number 5. So I will click in this last letter of page number 4, then layout, break and page break. So section break, click on next page. Now click on outside of header. Now double click on header area and click on link to previous. Again click on outside of header. Now change your header. So double click your header and make your second header. Same process, you can create different type of footer in different pages. Now from here we will start third type header. It's page number 9. So double click in the last letter of page number 8, then layout, break and next page. Now click on outside of header, double click on header, click on link to previous, click on outside of header. Now double click on header and change your header. So now we can see we have three type of header. Header 1, header 2 and header 3. Same process, you can insert different type of footer. So double click in this first page for first footer. Insert any style of footer or type manually. So this is the footer 1. Now we will start footer 2 from this page. So we have different section here. So just we need to change here. Now we need second type of footer from this page. So double click last letter of this, click here link to previous. Now here you can change your footer. Same, you want to insert third type of footer here. So click here in footer section, click on link to previous, double click in this document area, then activate footer and change your footer from here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.